Hey guys, this is a very interesting question. Maybe 1 in 10 can solve this math problem, right? So, minus 2 squared, minus 2 squared, minus 2 squared, minus 2 squared. Okay, where to start? Minus 2 squared, right? So, 2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4, right? So, minus 4, minus 2 squared, minus 2 squared, minus 2 squared. Now, minus 4 and minus 2 squared, minus 4 minus 2 squared means 4, and minus 2 squared minus 2 squared. Now, minus 4 minus 4 minus 2 squared means 4 minus 2 squared. Now, minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 2 squared means 4. Now, minus 4 and minus 4, right? Addition and subtraction from left to right. So, according to the PEMDAS rule. Okay, follow the order of operations. Minus 4 minus 4 equals 8, right? Minus minus plus, but minus. And minus 4 minus 4. Minus 8 and minus 4, minus 12, right? Minus 4. And minus 12 minus 4 equals minus 16. Not just 16, minus 16.